Hey there, gorgeous souls. This is Emily from ZenFit Journey YT. Zen is feeling under the weather today, so I'm stepping in to bring you this hair-raising content. Don't worry, I've got all of Zen's energy and then some. Now you might be wondering, Emily, can you handle Zen's explosive hair growth secrets? Well, let me tell you, I'm about to blow your mind with a hair-raising secret that'll make your locks grow faster than gossip in a small town. Are you tired of watching your hair fall out faster than your ex's number from your phone? Well, hold on to your hairbrushes because I'm about to drop 100 explosive hair growth hacks that'll make your hair grow so fast, you'll need a seatbelt for your scalp. Now I know what you're thinking. Emily, my hair grows slower than my grandma's internet connection. Well, fear not, my follicle challenge friends. By the end of this video, you'll have so many growth hacks, your hair won't know what hit it. But wait, there's more. If you stick around till the end, I'll reveal a chance to win a year's supply of premium hair care products worth $1,000. Plus, a secret tip that celebrities are using to get red carpet ready hair. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. Alright, hair warriors, it's time for the main event, 100 explosive hair growth hacks. But don't worry, I won't just list them off like a boring grocery list. We're going on a hair growth adventure. Are you ready to transform your locks from drab to fab? Let's dive in. We'll cover 10 categories with 10 tips each. After each category, I'll give you a mind-blowing fact that'll make your jaw drop faster than your hair grows. Category 1. Kitchen remedies. 1. Onion juice scalp massage. 2. Rice water rinse. 3. Aloe vera gel treatment. 4. Avocado and egg mask. 5. Coconut milk hair bath. 6. Banana and honey smoothie for your strands. 7. Green tea rinse for shine. 8. Potato juice for growth. Yes, really. 9. Yogurt and honey protein pack. 10. Apple cider vinegar, clarifying rinse. Mind-blowing fact. Did you know that the average person has about 100,000 hair follicles on their scalp? That's more than the population of Monaco. Category 2. Oil treatments 11. Castor oil scalp massage 12. Coconut oil overnight treatment 13. Argan oil for split ends 14. Jojoba oil for scalp balance 15. Rosemary oil growth stimulator 16. Peppermint oil tingling treatment 17. Olive oil deep conditioner 18. Grapeseed oil lightweight moisturizer 19. Black seed oil anti-inflammatory boost 20. Amla oil for strength and shine. Shocking revelation, if you lined up all the hair on your head, it would grow about 30 miles in a year. That's like running a marathon with your hair. Category 3. Scalp care 21. Weekly scalp exfoliation 22. Scalp massager tool for circulation 23. Clarifying shampoo for build-up removal 24. Scalp steaming for open follicles 25. Tea tree oil for dandruff control 26. Scalp sunscreen for UV protection 27. Dry brushing before showering 28. Scalp toner for pH balance 29. Cold water rinse for shine 30th. Scalp acupressure point stimulation. Hair-raising fact. Your hair is so strong that a single strand can support up to 100 grams. That's like a small chocolate bar hanging from your head. Category 4. Nutrition boosters. 31. Biotin-rich foods. Eggs, nuts, avocados. 32. Omega-3 fatty acids. Salmon, chia seeds. 33. Iron-packed spinach and lentils. 34. Vitamin C from bell peppers and citrus. 35. Zinc-loaded pumpkin seeds. 36. Protein-rich Greek yogurt. 37. Vitamin A in sweet potatoes. 38. Silica-rich cucumbers. 39. Vitamin E from almonds. 40. Collagen-boosting bone broth. Fascinating tidbit. Your hair grows about 0.3 to 0.5 millimeters per day. At that rate, you could grow a ponytail long enough to climb out of Rapunzel's tower in about 6 years. Category 5. Styling hacks 41. Silk pillowcase for reduced friction 42. Loose braids for overnight waves 43. T-shirt drying to prevent frizz 44. Wide tooth comb for gentle detangling 45. Heat protectant before styling 46. Low heat or heatless styling methods 47. Satin lined hats for protection 48. Pineapple updo for curly hair 49. Scalp-friendly hair ties 50. Regular trims for split end prevention. Unbelievable but true. The fastest growing tissue in the human body is hair. It grows even faster than bone marrow. Category 6. DIY hair. Masks 51. Honey and olive oil. Hydrating mask 52. Egg white and lemon clarifying treatment 53. Avocado and coconut oil deep conditioner 54. Aloe vera and castor oil growth mask 55. Greek yogurt and honey protein treatment 56. Banana and almond oil smoothing mask 57. Cinnamon and coconut oil stimulating treatment 58. Green tea and apple cider vinegar rinse 59. Mayonnaise and egg yolk strengthening mask 60. Papaya and yogurt exfoliating treatment. Mind-bending fact: if you never cut your hair, it would grow to about 42 feet long in a lifetime. That's longer than a school bus. Category 7. Lifestyle changes. 61. Stress reduction techniques. 62. Adequate sleep for hair growth. 63. Regular exercise for circulation. 64. Staying hydrated for hair health. 65. Limiting alcohol and caffeine intake. 66. Quitting smoking for better hair. 67. Managing hormonal imbalances. 68. Reducing environmental pollution exposure. 69. Practicing good hygiene habits. 70th. Balancing your diet for overall health. Jaw-dropping revelation: your hair can help clean up oil spills. Its ability to absorb oil makes it a natural way to combat environmental disasters. Category 8. Supplement support 71. Biotin supplements for growth 72. Fish oil for scalp health 73. Vitamin D for follicle cycling 74. Iron supplements for anemia-related hair loss 75. Zinc for protein synthesis 76. Vitamin B complex for overall hair health 77. Collagen peptides for hair structure 78. Saw palmetto for hormonal balance 79. Folic acid for cell 80 growth 80. Ashwagandha for stress reduction. Astonishing fact: blondes have the most hair, with an average of 150,000 strands. Redheads have the least with about 90,000. Talk about blonde ambition. Category 9. Professional treatments 81. Scalp micropigmentation for thinning appearance 82. PRP, platelet-rich plasma therapy 83. Low-level laser therapy 84. Mesotherapy for the scalp 85. Keratin treatments for strength 86. Scalp microblading for fullness 87. Hair botox for deep conditioning 88. Cryotherapy for scalp health 89. Trichology consultations 90. Scalp facials for deep cleansing. Incredible, but true. Your hair can remember which way it was combed. This is why it's easier to style your hair in its usual direction. Category 10. Unconventional methods 91. Scalp tapping for stimulation 92. Inversion method, hanging upside down 93. Rice water fermentation 94. Onion juice and honey mix 95. Caffeine infused hair products 96. Scalp cupping therapy 97. Gua Sha for scalp circulation 98. Sound wave therapy for hair follicles 99. Cryotherapy for the scalp 100. And finally, the celebrity secret, bone broth for collagen boost. Final mind-blowing fact: your hair can be used to make cloth. In fact, in some cultures, human hair cloth was considered sacred and used in religious ceremonies. Wow, we've covered 100 tips and you're still here? You're officially a hair growth ninja. But wait, there's more. Remember that giveaway I mentioned? To enter, leave a comment with your favorite tip from this video and tag 3 friends who need some hair inspiration. One lucky winner will receive a year's supply of premium hair care products worth $1,000. And for those of you thinking, Emily, this is too much info, don't worry, I've created a free downloadable PDF with all 100 tips. Click the link in the description to get your copy. It's like having a hair growth cheat sheet in your pocket. Now, are you ready to take your hair game to the next level? Give these tips a try and watch your locks transform faster than a superhero in a phone booth. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell faster than your hair is about to grow. And hey, if you try any of these hacks, share your results in the comments below. Let's start a hair growth revolution. Until next time, this is Emily, filling in for Zen. reminding you that with great hair comes great responsibility. Now go forth and grow, my beautiful tech-savvy hair ninjas. Zen will be back soon, but until then, keep those locks flowing and growing. Peace out.